Blocking your Fidelity. A TM card can provide an essential layer of security if you suspect that your card is lost or stolen. To begin the process, locate your Fidelity account information and be prepared to provide identification details. This ensures that your request is authorized and your account remains secure. Once you have everything ready, log into your Fidelity account through their website or mobile app. Navigate to the account settings or card management section, where you will find options related to your ATM card. Look for the option to block or report your card as lost or stolen. Follow the prompts to proceed with the blocking process. If you are unable to access your account online, you can also block your card by calling Fidelity's customer service. Make sure to have your account information readily available for verification. The representative on the line will guide you through the blocking process and provide further instructions if needed. After blocking your card, check for any unauthorized transactions on your account. It's also a good idea to request a replacement card to ensure you can continue accessing your funds. This entire process typically ensures your account stays protected, providing peace of mind while you manage your finances.